What's up, everybody? It's your boy Skip the Legend bringing you guys a video on GFAL, a token that we have been waiting to make some news, some moves, some growth for the last 20, not even for the last 24 hours, since I've just recorded this video, but for the last 24 hours, they're up, not 10%. I was about to do them dirty. Not 9%, 9.9%, which is really 24, which is really 10%. For the last 7 days, GFAL is up 25%, 14 days, 24%, 30 days is up 34%. And for the last year, GFAL is up 300%. We, oh, shoot, I am happy about it. I think we are happy about the rise of GFAL and think that the rise of GFAL can continue because it is a cryptocurrency. It is a gaming token that has a lot of utility already, and then you're going to add on extra utility. I think this has to do with a couple of things though, this rise. It has to do with one, Binance, their chain token, doing great things. I mean not GFAL. Binance just hit $600. I like what? What? When last year it was struggling and was below 300 and we were like and people were like, "Hey, I don't know about Binance." Like there was points where Binance was at $200, ladies and gentlemen, and now it's at $600. Like dollars, Dolores. I'm not gonna keep like harping on that, but it's just crazy. It's not even something to scoff at. It's really not. But GFAL's up, and GFAL's doing great things. This also is attributed to a couple of additions that GFAL has made in the near future. One, it was an increase of volume and an increase of um, desire to have GFAL tokens because they released a Nature Supreme chest because of Easter approaching. So that was available in the GFAL store and it's 60% off. They also made like changes to the GFAL marketplace. It looked pretty cool. We're gonna go look at the GFAL marketplace. But those are the things that transpired that really helped this rise and like desire and value to take its course. Um, Everything else was like, yeah, they're cool for investors, but what about people that are looking for an investment? And for those looking for an investment, like, hey, we have more and more reason. Reason number two, or reason number three, is I don't think y'all saw it, but G or Elemental Raiders is available on Apple. It's available on the App Store and on the App Store and on Google Play and on Windows for Steam as well. So your boy's gonna try to get some recordings as soon as possible with Elemental Raiders and trying to get that gameplay out there to you guys in the fastest, quickest, most fun way possible, right? That's gonna be my goal. So you guys are probably gonna see Elemental Raiders on a vertical screen. If so, please don't kill me. But yeah, that's something that's transpiring or that's going to be happening very soon that we should be excited for. I don't think it's actually out on the Apple Store yet, but once I figure out exactly the specifics, I'll leave a comment on this video and I'll probably make another video just to clarify. But once that thing is out on the App Store and once that game is available, once I have a better setup to play the game and actually record myself playing the game, best believe I will be playing the game. Now we look at the trading. There was $1.3 million worth of transactions for the last 24 hours. First off, this is crazy because this cryptocurrency has a market cap of $65 million and it has a volume of 1.3 million. Now, I would love for the liquidity to be a little bit higher, but it does lead for the price to be able to jump up a little bit more. So I'm cool. I'm not gonna trip on it. I still love GFAL nonetheless. But we gonna call a spade, and we gonna be honest when we gotta be honest, right? 600 buys, 500 sales. Well, 618 buys, 562 sales transpired in the last 24 hours. We go look at the $1,000 transactions. We see like, boy, there's some green. Boy, girl, whoever is watching or whatever is watching, there was some green. There was some red here and there, but what I saw was a lot of green, and the green buys outnumbered the red cells. Now we get to this point, which is at 6 a.m. today. So that was a couple hours ago, and we can see at this area right here, that's what this area is on this chart. It was a $50,000 trading period, and it was a combination of some buys and sells, but the sales won that hour. We get to the hours and the time periods before then. We have a $6,000 trading period. These are also 15-minute candles, but we have a 5,000 yeah, $6,500 period, and then we have another $55,000 period. That was a pretty thick green candle. And that like the windows we're about to see of green far surpass the hours like that $50,000. Like they just, how do I say it? They devour the $5,000, the $55,000 15-minute trading window. As you see, like it's like I say all this, I'm saying it this way because I'm like, there's a negative, but there's negatives, but like these negatives don't even outweigh these positives. If you bought $14,000 worth of GFAL, you know what I'm about to say. Hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and turn on post notifications, because this is the channel for you. If you sold $18,000 worth of GFAL token, hit the subscribe button, leave a super chat, and leave a like, subscribe, and leave a super chat. If you're not gonna subscribe, just leave the super chat, and I'll be good. But nah, so when it comes to the quality and the quantity, the buys won. So I believe this is a scenario where not only did the buys win, but Binance, that token is also winning as well and doing great things. And when they're doing great things, we can expect GFAL to do great things as well. And when GFAL is also coming up with things that are going to bring their token and their team and their project value, we can expect great things, not right then in the very present day, but in the near future, because we need the market to react to what's going on. And the only way for the market to react is for the market to know what just transpired. And we're still growing the name of GFAL. So please, with that being stated, leave a like, subscribe. A lot of you guys aren't subscribed. Like 70%, no, I want to say 80% of the people that watch my content aren't actually subscribed to the channel. So please, please, please subscribe. This helps this channel out a lot. It helps this token out a lot by growing the expansion and growing the amount of feeds that we actually touch with our videos. We've grown a lot though in the last 24 hours. We've grown a lot in the last week, and it hasn't even been a full week, but we've gained 50 subscribers. I'm so excited about 50 subscribers. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. But the only way for me to actually get the subscriber count up is now for me to bother you guys. The only way to get the like count up is for me to bother you guys. This helps out the video a lot. If a lot of people are subscribing to this video, and a lot of people are liking this video, and a lot of people are commenting on this video, it helps. YouTube hears that or sees that in the analytics and the algorithm and says, "Oh, plug this video in more with people that are looking up JFall or people that are looking up gaming tokens," right? So do y'all work so my work, because I'm doing my work, do my work so that your work can be less. All right, that's how I'm gonna put it. Love you all though. Have a blessed one. Stay safe. Let's see a run in the next Bitcoin halving period. Peace.